Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to create 3D images using Bing. So head over to your browser and search for bing.com. You click on Bing Image Inspiration Feed and click on Create. But before you do that, mind you, you have to sign up or sign in with your email address. And once you're on this page, you click on Create. You enter your prompts here. Click on Create. And it generates your image. So let's do another one so you understand it better. For the prompt, I'll leave it on the description box. And your images are ready. So to save these images or to download them, you click on it and then you click on download. This is the end of the tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also leave a comment. I would really appreciate you. Bye.